start cooking. And we're going to have cucumber salad, or in the Tagalog language, Pipino ensalada. And more delicious food recipes are in this delightful cookbook of my beautiful and beloved mother, Mrs. Theodora Gutierrez. In this gorgeous cookbook, Mommy and Chef, NANAY Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. My beautiful and beloved mother, Mrs. Theodora Gutierrez, whose birthday was yesterday, or the other day, November 12. Today is November 14. Yes, was a great chef. She used to own a student canteen restaurant in our hometown in the Philippines. First woman ever elected public official, unanimously and top-notcher at that. Proposed and founded the first and only public high school, where her daughter, the author of this beautiful cookbook, Juanita Gutierrez, speaking to you over the video, first taught as a new school teacher and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president, while my beloved father, Mr. Javier Gutierrez, was twice elected town captain or mayor also in our hometown, and approved our school budget. This was after his retirement as a stenographer typist in the United States of America airport. More delicious food recipes, way of life, Philippine traditions, Tagalog learning are in this gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, NENE Theodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by their loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. This beautiful cookbook is now available at Amazon, Ex Libris, all bookstores worldwide, in ebook, Kindle, paperback format, and at Juanita Gutierrez Amazon Author Central page. Let's enjoy delicious vegetables ensaladang pipino or cucumber salad, and the ingredients and how to prepare them are in this gorgeous cookbook. Let's enjoy delicious pipino ensalada or cucumber salad. Bon appetit!